Hey everyone, is your Total Wireless add-on data not working? Don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through quick and easy fixes to get your data up and running again. Let's get started. Why Total Wireless add-on data not working? The add-on data may not be activated properly on your account. There could be network outages or maintenance affecting services. The device may have incorrect APN settings preventing data access. Your plan may have restrictions that do not allow the use of add-on data. There may be a temporary glitch or a bug affecting the device's connectivity. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate network coverage. Sometimes the issue arises simply because you are out of range of the network. Go to Total Wireless Coverage Map page, scroll down and enter your location or address. Press enter to check the coverage. Check usage. If your balance is expired, your service will be cancelled automatically after certain period of time. Ensure you have enough fund in your account. Method 1, using text message. Open message app, text usage to 611611. You will get the usage details to your phone. Method 2, using website or app. Log into Total Wireless account using app or a website. Go to dashboard and click on My Plan section where you can see the usage. Reset network setting. Resetting network setting will refresh and boost the network connection in so for Android, go to settings, then system, then go to advanced. Reset options, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm the reset. On iOS, go to settings, then general, then go to reset, tap reset network settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Fix 4, check top up status. The data might be activated properly in your account due to some technical glitches. Log into Total Wireless account using app or website. Go to account page and click payment history where you can see the status. If the top up is not activated and the amount has been debited, contact Total Wireless customer support at 1-866-663-3633 for assistance with resolving the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.